In this video, I will show you how to enable free Roblox voice chat. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile and log in to your Roblox account. Now tap More on bottom bar. Scroll down and tap Settings. On Settings page, tap Account Info. To enable Roblox voice chat, you need to verify your age. To do that, tap Verify My Age. On Identity Verification pop-up, tap Start Session. Next, tap Begin Verifying. Now select the country that has issued you ID card. Next, select the document that you wish to submit. Here, Roblox will ask you to grant permission to access your camera. Just tap Allow. Now take the photo of your valid documents photo page and birth date. Valid documents such as driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit are accepted. These documents vary by country. Then Roblox might ask you to capture a selfie. This selfie will be used to ensure that you are the same person as the one on your photo ID. Once the verification is complete, you will see a pass or failed result. This step may take few minutes. If the verification is successful, you can enable voice chat from your account settings. So that is how you can enable free Roblox voice chat. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.